If you are looking for admission in undergraduate program at the University of Oxford, then you need to appear in this PATE test. PATE test is a physics aptitude test. So what is a PATE test? If you are applying for, let's say, engineering program or material science, physics, or physics and philosophy, then you need to appear in a physics PATE test. How long is this? This is a 2 hours under the time condition test. The PACE test is designed for the candidates who have studied the first year of A level. So if you have studied first year of A level, then you can apply for physics aptitude test, which is equivalent to the maths and physics and covers the similar material as that of a GSE and A level syllabus. However, they say please make sure to go to the past syllabus. If you just click this link, then you see the PATE syllabus. Before you appear in test, you cover those topics, and then you will have some idea about the PATE test. Then there are materials online, a PATE preparation webinar, then you can go and check out. Calculators are permitted here, so you can use the calculators, but then you have to follow the guidelines where to use a calculator. Candidates should not that you are not allowed to take the formula sheets, tables, and books into the test. So you are not allowed to do that. So the change to the PATE as of the 2017, the format of physics aptitude test changed. The multiple choice questions are reintroduced, and the physics and math sections are mixed up with one another rather than kept as two distinct sections. So they will be mixed together in a test. So you have one question, maybe one question from maths, and later one question from physics. Physics, 2 questions will appear first, or then maths. So why do I have to take test? Because you are looking for admission in University of Oxford. Most applicants they have most of the applicants have great personal statements, excellent references, and also they have got a predicted top grades. Therefore, it is difficult for University of Oxford to choose from many well-qualified candidates they have. So then, therefore, you have to take the test. Then, how do I have to pay? You don't. So they say we don't charge candidates to take this test. However, please be aware that some independent test centers do charge an administration fee to the candidate. How are the tests designed and viewed? When the department of wishes to introduce a new test for their course, there is a substantial consultation within the university, including a testing phase, pilot testing phase, and design to ensure test. And this is all about how they design and review. So this is a little bit about the PACE test. Here you can go and how to register. So is administered by this, and you have to give this information, gender and UCAS membership. Taking your test in school and college, please ask your examining officer whether or not your school or college is registered as a test center. If they are registered as a test center, you can take a test at your school. And then how do I take test? So these are the dates for the test. Wednesday 30 October 2019, and then next is Wednesday November 2020, and then November 2021. So 1 year gapped. Then how do you prepare? So how do you prepare? Well, check the syllabus. The first thing you do is to check the syllabus, what kind of topics are covered. So the material is most aimed at A-level maths and physics, plus the knowledge of material course covered in the GSE. So you go through the A-level maths and physics, this will be helpful. And they have online syllabus which you can check on this website. Watch the paid webinar below, so they have a paid webinar on their website, so you can see that. So the most important thing is to review the past papers of the paid. So if you have past papers of paid, get them and practice them in actual test conditions. Or if you don't have, you can download from Google it and download it and then practice those. This is the most important section. So you will be familiarized with the test once you practice these past papers and get after doing some papers, then you will get to know what are your strengths and weaknesses. Then you can overcome your weaknesses by practicing and revising the topics. So here, get practice doing some problems, hard problems, very hard questions that are not included in your test syllabus. Sit at least one paper testing condition. So as we said before, so practice the past papers. So this is the link to the webinar, past specimen papers, and paid syllabus.